Kasi I'm planning to ask her to be my girlfriend na. So...
But before I could, you already said, sabi mo, ayoko nga.
So, pinasagot mo na ako.
Sinagot na kita matagal na.
Ano ba?
Ayaw.
Kaso, ayaw ko muna. Since I was planning to surprise you. So here's my plan. I wanna give you something that would be memorable, kaya bumili na ako ng mga kailanganin for the surprise. Ayun no, dami nating parcel dito. We're going to write her a letter. Letter lang about sa kanya. Problem ko lang is yung sulat ko. Hindi magandang sulat ko. Ayo, tama naman lahat ng grammar ko. Dapat talaga hindi na ako nag-cutting class ng elementary ako. I'm just kidding. And the next one. Hi ate. Thank you so much. Wow, ganda oh. Para siyang Instax mini lang oh. So what I'm planning to do here is a photo book of our journey with a message inside. Parang ganyan. I'm excited na matapos ko to kasi ang ganda, ang ganda. Pati ako na-amaze ako sa ginawa ko. Kahit na hindi maganda yung writing ko, yung font ng sulat ko, okay pa rin siya, maganda pa rin siya tingnan. And then there's this day na nahuli kong tumitingin ka ng ring sa Instagram. Kaya sinama ko na rin to for the surprise. Promise ring sa kanya. I hope na kasya to sa kanya. Look at this. May ilaw siya dito mismo. Wow. Yeah, for sure magugustuhan niya to, promise. I also bought some setup items like balloons, petals, and of course, a Will You Be My Girlfriend balloon. At syempre, hindi rin mawawala ang flowers.
Oh, kinakabahan sa'yo, boy.
Kaya yan.
Laban lang.
But since I want to make this special, I really want to capture our moment on video. Kasi I think it will be memorable din sa akin. So that's why I called my friends.
Yes.
Kasi I'm planning to ask her to be my girlfriend. Yeah. G.
Let's go!
After all this month.
And I asked na rin if they could help me with camera work. Ito yung mga kailangan mo na shots pala.
Checklist, okay.
A photo shoot,
Yeah.
Alright, thank you so much, man.
and even some drone shots.
Mag-drone ka. Yeah, okay.
And next, I needed to find the perfect location. This is the most crucial part para sa akin. But after searching, I finally found one. The Garden Cafe. Ang hirap pala maganap ng magandang location dito sa Naga. So pumunta na ako right away to check out the place. Andito tayo sa Garden Residences and ito yung itsura niya mismo. Ang ganda guys. Look. Perfect dun sa iniisip ko mismo na mangyayaring event. So this is where I plan to set up na parang ganyan. So ito yung gazebo. Okay. Wow. Wow, ang ganda. So dito mismo yung food. Actually maganda siya pag gabi. And since nagustuhan ko yung place, pumili na ako ng mga kakainin namin after the event. Pumunta na kami ng maaga para makapag-set up. My plan is to set up here.
Ay, ano ni? Bumumba ni Jib?
Oo.
Para sa tropa. Sige.
Oh yun, harap Ben. Handa na kayo? But sabi ko parang hindi siya babagay. Kaya for the alternative is to use this space na lang.
I'm willing to take the risk para lang kay Jibs.
Ang so mangyari dito mismo, diyan kang part, ang view dito mismo kasi diyan siya palapit.
And for the final part of the plan is to invite you to eat there.
Nagsali lang kita sa video. Ikaw na yung magiging crush number 3.
Kailangan i-picture na ako.
Wow, grabe ka sa akin ha.
While pretending na meron akong collaboration at the cafe.
Pumayag na siya and sana maging success tong plano natin.
Kaya pumunta na ako ng bahay nyo to give you the polo na susuotin mo.
Machi-machi tayo. Dali.
At oo, sinama ko talaga si tita.
Sabay na si tita. Saan ka tita? Diyan lang sa may siya sa may Naga Science rin daw. Bababa.
I know na makakahalata ka na merong something. But that's okay, para mas ma-curious ka kung anong meron.
Mag-sorry ka mo, no?
Sama po kayo mamaya. Pero huwag ka muna kumain sa tita.
Ayun.
Thank you, tita.
Kasi to make this even more memorable sa'yo, sinabihan ko na rin sila tita and your sisters.
We can make it after.
Okay po.
Hindi sana ako makakasama pero change ng schedule. Happy that I am here to witness.
Ano pumutok? Patay! Yung heart pa din yung O. Ay, oo!
Good luck, boy.
Pili ko tagisabitan lang yan. Ha? Oh, yun dyan na. Andiyan na. Whew, let's go. Kunin natin yung ring, yung book. Yes, pinakaban ako. Okay na, Gina. Okay, call na natin sila. Ayun na sila. Surprise!
I hope you remember the time nung tinanggap mo yung panliligaw ko. I told you not to say yes right away. Just say that you're ready. Kasi gusto ko, yung yes mo will be memorable and unexpected day for
Last few
you.
days na busy rin ako. It's because of this. Tiyatapos ko to. It's a book na yung journey natin. So, nandito yung mga pictures natin and with message. And I just want to tell you lang rin naman na all of this naman is you deserve it. So ito yung reason na kung bakit ayaw kong tanggapin yung oo mo. Shilomar Zai Meniano, will you be my girlfriend? Nagsimula siya sa Stay Focused mismo. Unang kita ko sa kanya,
Sana single to?
Chinita? Ang problema nga lang ngayon, taken siya noon. After a few months, nalaman ko na lang na single na siya. Asad ako. Pero syempre deep inside, yes! Chance ko na to. Time to shine! Ha?
Ano mo sa...
Bakit?
Ano yun?
Baik ya. Wait lang, hindi pa tapos. Di pa tapos, wait lang. Paano ko ibigay rin to sa kanya? Yung binili kong Instax Mini Evo. Last gift na ibibigay natin sa kanya. Yung...
Sa'yo pala.
Ba't ka galit din sa'yo? To create more memories together. Especially kapag nagta-travel kami. Kalimutan ka na.
I never imagined the stars would lead me to someone like you, or that I'd ever have the chance to stand in your light. I once feared taking the risk, but now I see it was the very choice that made everything worthwhile.
Pero kaya kasal ni. Kaya nakadigdi.
I wanna shoutout pala yung mga productions natin. Nandito si Pat. Thank you so much sa photographer natin kay Pat.
Follow Ida Studios and mga litrato ni Roscoe.
Follow Praise Media na lang.
Kung yung may videographer dito, follow nyo na lang, captured by Seiya.
Then our cameraman.
Let's go! Let's go! Support tayo day one.
And after the surprise, pumunta na kami dito sa gazebo.
Hoy, akin yung balon ha. Akin yan, ako mag-uwi.
Anyway, thank you so much sa pagpunta dito, sa invitation. Thank you so much. And ayun, since late na, let's eat na po. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Wow. Thank you so much, Garden Cafe, for this, for the cake. I appreciate it.
Ang vlog mo yung pinanood yung reportings mo. Zay, pikit ka muna. Pag-rehearsal kami, hindi na talaga
Walking in cold nights with your hand in mine, all wrapped up warm, sitting by the fire. This life is the best, living wild and free.
And lastly, I just want to thank God for all of the blessings, for blessing me with a woman like you. Everything that happened today, the plan I've been preparing for almost a month, the friends who helped me make it real, damang-dama ko yung suporta nyo. And I love you guys so much. Or maybe siguro dahil may pagkain lang. Just kidding. I'm also deeply thankful to your family for welcoming me with open hearts. And there was a big chance pala that it would rain, but I still took the risk. Because deep down, I knew that if God wanted this moment to happen, it will happen. And if not, he has a reason for it.
Hindi ka naman pinipilit na mag-oo.
Wow! Okay.
Ibayad mo ito sa garden.
May gift check pa tayo dito na binigay sila. Ate, thank you so much. Thank you so much, ate.